Just a fun fact about me. I'm allergic to dust and high sensitive body fragrance or spray, whatever it is, and spirit. Whenever I have encounter with those things, I tend to have a congestion. I know it's kind of like I'll be sneezing out. Yeah, let me put it there. I'll have a continuous sneeze out, and to get to a point, I have a running nose out as well. I have medicine for it, which I take, but I just become too stubborn to stay away from those things. Well, today is not my fault. A friend was having a high sensitive spray on, so when I stood next to him for some time, I got affected. Okay, right now I'm now leaving the house to town. I'm going to somewhere. I'm sure we are going to East Lagos, and yeah. Okay, I know it's not actually a fun fact. Me having that kind of allergy to dust and all those things. It's making me have a serious sore throat right now, and I'm just sitting somewhere to have a bottle of water before I continue to meet my friend and go to the town. So that's my reason for sitting somewhere here this afternoon. That's how serious it could be. Just standing next to someone who has a high scented spray on. Yeah, it has really got into me. I think I need to seek my doctor's advice. Yeah, I need to. Alright, I'll continue very soon. Back. Good afternoon. Oh, that's much of my headache. Oh, I don't quite have. We call this one house arrest. You see, the whole of this year I haven't seen him and he haven't seen me, so more billing. But it's all good. So I'm running. If I don't take time, I'm likely going to get sick. Yeah, I'm likely going to fall sick. I would like to. It's looking likely. I just feel like my throat is congested, and yeah, like I just need to get something off my chest. Yeah, that's how I'm feeling a little bit. I don't know how long I can hold it. But when we are going, I will try and get some tom-tom for the meantime. Let's see. Yeah. Before we leave, you know the drill, man. Something for the
Cindy. Check. This is Queen.
Like that, and let know the content. If they watch your videos we are going to chill,
Say weekend, I mean,
Oh, that will be the good search for you. I mean,
I get money, so if you ain't the good search.
okay, we are the good search. You get money. Charlie, Odogu say you get money. So you get money. If you don't link up, Odogu this, it will link you up. Sharp. Money man, money day. Jawa. I say wrong. Jawa no, boss, believe it. All the bill bad on view. And so fast track. And so fast strategy. Strat. Oh yeah. Oh, in there how? In there how? Those kind of things. Yeah, that is so. You know why? This is we know that we We just got to Alogoshi, at Achimota. That's where we currently are. My guy is going to make a little bit of withdrawal. Just withdrawal. How much it is, I don't know. So after the withdrawal, we are meeting one guy at Domi. Then from Domi, we go to our main destination to meet the final person we are going to meet. I'm not sure it will be East Legon. I thought initially it's going to be East Legon that we are going, but looking at conversation, the individual happened to be in town and it's just around the area, like around Domi to Kacho thereabouts. So I'm sure that's the road we are going to take. Right now, it's just going to make a draw. I'm waiting for him, then we take the road. The unfortunate part of the whole leaving the house today is I can't find my ID card, like my ID card holder, sorry. So that means I don't know where I've placed my license, and it means I can't be behind the wheel because you know how these people are. The little money on me, they'll come and take it. And aside that, I also have my ATM as well within the card holder. So it's just a major of concern for me to find my card holder as soon as possible. So I'll do that when I get home. But right now, this is where we are, and the guy is coming around. We believe him. The other guy is also with him, so we believe him very soon. See ya. And it's 12:41 a.m. That's when I'm returning back home. Wow, my guy came to drop me off. We actually went to Lakeside to meet a partner, and we had one or two business discussion. It went well, and we are all happy. So I'm now back home, and I got some food on the road. So I'm tired. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.